Hello everyone, welcome to Rakesh Valasa YouTube channel. In this video lecture, we will discuss about one mark questions for engineering drawing second mid semester examinations. I have collected these questions from last 6 years, that means 2018 to 2023. Let us see the first question paper. Answer the following in brief. This is from 2018 paper. Let us see the question number A. A prism is a regular polyhedron. Is it true or false? Here the prism is not regular polyhedron. Only cube is regular polyhedron. Here the regular means all faces are equal. But for prism only side faces are equal and top face and bottom face are equal. So that's why a prism is a not a regular polyhedron. So the correct answer is false. Question number B. If a solid has its axis perpendicular to the HP, in which view the true shape of its base is visible? Only top view. If whatever it may be, a solid is axis perpendicular to HP, only true shape is appear in only top view. Let us see the question number C. A cutting plane perpendicular to the VP is shown as a line in the front view only. Question number D. The front view shape of a cube when it is resting on HP on one of its faces and other face is parallel to VP is square. Question number E. What is the ratio of isometric length to true length? That is equal to 9 by 11 or root 2 by root 3 or 0.815. Question number F. Write the command for generating for fillet in edges. Answer is fillet. Or you can write F enter R enter. Let us see the one more question paper, that is 2019. Let us see the question number A. A cylinder is a solid by revolution of a rectangle. Option question number B. A regular tetrahedron has four equal faces, each an equilateral triangle. Question number C. If the axis of a regular solid is perpendicular to HP, the the true shape and size of its base will be seen in top view only. Question number D. What is the ratio of isometric length to true length? That is 9 by 11 or root 2 by root 3 or 0.815. Question number E. In first angle projection, the right hand side view of an object is drawn to the left side of front view. Question number F. Erase command is used to delete the selected entities in AutoCAD software. See the next question paper. This question paper also conducted in 2019. Question number A. If a solid is cut by a cutting plane parallel to the base of the solid and top part is removed, the remaining part is called frustum. Question number B. A right regular hexagonal prism is resting on HP on its base. Its top view is a hexagonal shape. Question number C. Draw the representation of a sectional plane. Inside the object is thin dashed dot line. Outside the object is thick dashed line. Question number D. The view drawn with the true scale is called isometric view, while that drawn with the use of isometric scale is called isometric projection. Question number E. In first angle method of orthographic projection, The right side view of an object is drawn to the left side of the front view. Question number F. Line with a tapering width can be easily created by using polyline tool in AutoCAD software. Okay, move to the next paper that is conducted on in 2021. Question number A. If the axis of a solid is parallel to both HP and VP, its true shape is seen in side view. Question number B. When base of the right regular solid is resting on VP, then its axis is perpendicular to VP. Question number C. If the section plane is parallel to HP, the cut surface obtained in the top view itself is the true shape of the section. Question number D. In first angle projection, the right side view is on dash of front view. The answer is left. Question number E. Which command is used to draw the rectangle in AutoCAD software? The shortcut key is REC. Question number F. The ratio of isometric length to the true length, that is 9 by 11 or root 2 by root 3 or 0.815. Next paper, same year but different in different month. Question number A. A cylinder of diameter D and a height H rest on its base on the HP. Its front view is a dash of width dash and height. Rectangle of width and diameter and height. Question number B. A section plane is parallel to VP. The top view gives straight line which is parallel to XY line. Question number C. The shape of a top view of a cone with its base on the VP is a triangle. Question number D. Write the command of polyline. The shortcut key is PL. Here the P means poly, L means line. Question number E. In first angle projection, A. The top view is below of the front view. B question is the right side view is to be to the left of the front view. Question number F. The orthographic view of a sphere from any direction is circle. That means front view circle, top view circle, side view also circle. Let us move to the next paper that is conducted in 2022. Question number A. A cylinder of diameter D, a height H rests on its base on the HP. Its front view dimension, that is H, and top view dimension is capital D. Question number B. If the axis of a solid is parallel to both HP and VP, true shape of the base is seen in dash view, that is side view. Question number C. If the sectional plane is parallel to the HP, then dash view will show the true shape of the section. The answer is top view. Question number D. In orthographic projection, three dimensions are visible in any view. Is it true? Justify. No. Because in orthographic projection, any view having only two dimensions. Question number E. If an isometric projection is drawn with true measurements, then isometric drawing is called isometric view. Question number F. Dash command is used to draw the fillet between two perpendicular lines in AutoCAD software. The command name is fillet. Let us move to the next paper. Same year but conducted in July 23rd. Question number A. The name of the solid formed by four equilateral triangles is tetrahedron. Question number B. In drawing a sectional view of a solid, The part of the object between section plane and assumed to be removed, that is observer. Question number C. In a third angle projection method, the right hand side view of an object drawn on right of the front view. Question number D. A surface of an object appears in its true shape when it is parallel to the plane of projection. Question number E. The isometric attachment is in the form of a 3 in 1 blade making an angle of 120 degrees with the adjacent blades. Question number F. Which command or tool is helpful to construct concentric circles and parallel lines in AutoCAD software? The command name is offset. Shortcut key is O enter. Let us move to the next question paper that is conducted in 2023. Question number A. Tetrahedrons can be used as a geometric shape to represent a variety of objects including complex assemblies, support structures, and stress analysis models. In engineering drawings, tetrahedron can help engineers and architects visualize and communicate the design of these objects to others. How many faces a tetrahedron in geometry have? Additionally, what is the shape of each of the faces of a tetrahedron? The answer is four equilateral triangular faces. Question number B. The auxiliary plane method is a crucial technique in engineering drawing that allows designers and engineers to communicate complex designs in a clear and concise manner. What is the orientation of the auxiliary plane with respect to the sectional plane when trying to obtain the true shape of the section of a solid in engineering drawing? The answer is parallel. Question number C. The first angle projection method used in engineering drawing is standardized approach for representing three-dimensional objects in a two-dimensional format, which is essential for clear and accurate communication of designs in the engineering and manufacturing industries. In the first angle projection method used in engineering drawing, where is the left hand side view of an object located in relation to the front view? The answer is right side. Question number D. Isometric projection provides a 3D representation of objects that allows for clear visualization and communication of designs, especially in fields such as architecture, engineering, and product design. Mention is the ratio between true length to isometric length in isometric projection. The answer is 11 by 9 or root 3 by root 2 or 1.22. Question number E. What is the angle between adjacent blades and the 3-1 blade of the isometric attachment used in engineering drawing? The answer is 120 degrees. Question number F. AutoCAD software is used in various industries such as architecture, engineering, and construction for drafting and designing 2D and 3D models of complex structures and products. When do you refer the polyline command over the line command in AutoCAD software? The answer is where you need to draw a series of connected line segments for the purpose of where you need to draw a series of connected line segments. We are using polyline command. Let us move to the next paper, that is 2023 in the month of June. According to the tetrahedron definition, it is a type of pyramid characterized by a flat polygon base and triangular faces that converge at a common point. In the case of tetrahedron, which has a triangular base, that means any of the four faces can be considered the base. It is also referred to as a triangular pyramid. What is the shape of the triangular faces in a tetrahedron? Let us see the options. Equilateral, option B isosceles, option C right angle, option D scalene. Scalene. The answer is equilateral. Question number B. A prism is a polyhedron formed by connecting two equal parallel regular polygons as its end faces with rectangular as its side faces. In this scenario, a triangular prism is resting on a rectangular face in the horizontal plane. If it is cut by a horizontal section plane, what would be its sectional top view? Option A equilateral triangle, option B isosceles triangle, option C rectangle, option D none of these. The correct answer is rectangle. Question number C. A solid is a three-dimensional object. The axis of a solid is an imaginary line that passes through the center of its bases. When the axis of the solid is perpendicular to vertical plane, the true shape of the base is visible in which of the following? Here the axis is perpendicular to VP, so you can see the true shape in only front view. So the correct answer is front view. Question number D. Isometric projection is a type of pictorial projection that allows the three dimensions of a solid to be shown in a single view, with their actual sizes measurable directly from it. In isometric projections or views, isometric axes are considered, where the solid lines are parallel to the isometric axis, while some lines in the solid are not parallel to them. Could you please provide a procedure for drawing the non-isometric lines? The answer is the lines which are not parallel to isometric axis are known as non-isometric lines. Question number E. Orthographic projection rules stored in mass storage devices govern the general generation of digital drawings in accordance with a program. These digital drawings are commonly referred to as computer drawings. Could you please discuss the significance of computer drawings? The answer is fast modification, addition and deletion, easier data use, less vulnerable, faster drawing, less prone to mistakes. The next question is the CAD system provides an interactive environment for preparing engineering drawings. Most commercially available CAD systems are menu driven, where commands can be typed directly using a keyboard or selected from the on-screen menu. Which command is used to create a uh, rounded corner between two lines? The answer is fillet. In AutoCAD software, we can create rounded corners by using fillet tool. Okay, move to the next paper. Question number A. A polyhedron is defined as a solid bounded by planes known as faces. When all faces are equal and regular, it is referred to as a regular polyhedron. Among the following solids, which one is regular polyhedron? When all faces are equal, that polyhedron is cube. So the correct answer is cube. Question number B. An imaginary plane that divides a solid into two parts is known as a section plane or cutting plane. The resulting surface obtained by cutting the object with the section plane is called section. If the cutting plane is not parallel to any reference plane, the true shape of the section cannot be directly observed. To determine the true shape of the section, it needs to projected onto a plane that is parallel to the option A profile plane, option B vertical plane, option C axillary plane, option D section plane. The correct answer is axillary plane. Question number C. Solids can be classified into two main groups, polyhedral and solids of revolution. If a right angled triangle is revolved around one of its perpendicular sides, the solid form is a cone. Question number D. An isometric is constructed using three lines known as isometric axes, consisting of a vertical axis and two receding axes. The angle between isometric axes is 120 degrees. Question number E. Computer generated models are stored in mass storage devices in an electronic format that is compatible with computer aided design programs. Define CAD. Computer aided design. Question number F. The edit command in CAD allows for modifications of the drawn object. One such command is explode, which is used for. The answer is option A. Erasing a portion of a line, arc, circle or 2D polyline between two selected points. Option B. Reversing the effects of a series of previously used commands. Option C. Breaking a polyline into individual segments. Option D. None of these. In AutoCAD software, we are using explode command for breaking a polyline into individual segments. Okay, move to the next question paper. Question number A. Solids can be classified into two main groups, polyhedral and solids of revolution. If a rectangle is revolved around one of its edges, the solid form is a cylinder. Question number B. If a section is perpendicular to both reference planes, the true shape is obtained by taking projection of section onto profile profile plane. Question number C. A triangular prism resting on a rectangular face in the HP. It is cut by horizontal section plane. Its sectional top view is rectangle. Question number D. The angle that isometric axis makes with each other is 120 degrees. Question number E. Orthographic projection rules stored in mass storage devices govern the generation of digital drawings in accordance with a program. These digital drawings are commonly referred to as computer drawings. Could you please discuss the significance of computer drawings? The answer is fast modification, addition and deletion, easier data use, less vulnerable, faster drawing, and less prone to mistakes. Question number F. The command which creates multiple copies of a selected object in polar or rectangular form in AutoCAD, that is array command. Okay, these are the few important questions came in previous MSc2 in your engineering drawing. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.